Now moving on, the deadly second wave of the pandemic continues to claim lives. The only way out is by vaccinating more and more people. However, the vaccination drive in India is facing many challenges and impediments owing to shortage, and Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia now is blaming the centre for this issue. Take a look at the special report.
Pandemic politics speaks. With the rise in cases, the blame game over the pandemic is gaining momentum as well, as the centre faces a dual attack from the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi CM has said that the state does not have enough doses to inoculate all its citizens under the universal vaccination drive, citing that his government wants to administer doses to all the people above 18 years of age over the next 3 months. While Deputy CM Manish Sisodia attacked the centre for exporting the jabs instead of vaccinating our citizens first.
मार्च से लेके और अब तक पूरे देश में, हमारे देश में 1 लाख मृत्यु हो चुकी है। 1 लाख लोग कोरोना का शिकार हो चुके हैं और हम 6.5 करोड़ अपने देश की बनाई हुई वैक्सीन जो इन लोगों को लग सकती थी, इनमें से कई लोगों की जान बच सकती थी, हम इस वैक्सीन को विदेशों में भेज रहे हैं। 93 देशों को हम एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। किस लिए? सिर्फ इसलिए कि केंद्र सरकार की इमेज बन सके।
Targeting centre, Didi also wrote a letter to PM Modi, seeking duty rebate on medical gear and COVID drugs. The Union Finance Minister was quick to react with a series of tweets. Nirmala Sitharaman said that there is no duty imposed on COVID drugs and medical equipment, and the removal of GST would only harm consumers in the long run since they have to bear the burden of high cost. While the blame game rages, are we the public bearing the brunt of it? Bureau Report, India Today.